hello.
Hello. Let's show you our room.
Oh, we're doing a room tour.
Room 5068.
5068.
It's where all the best people stay.
Well, we're in 5066, that's impossible. So we're actually next door. But it's a similar layout, but opposite. We'll probably jump in when we're done in here.
Yep.
Where would you
Slip
like?
your bag up.
Okay.
We'll start in the bathroom.
Bathroom.
It got clean this morning. A couple of light switches.
Okay.
A couple of plugs on the side, little sockets.
Any USBs on there? Is it just
No USBs on those ones, just
normal plugs.
yeah. Hair dryer. So if you don't want to bring your own hair dryer from home, Ivy's used it. She said it's okay.
I've used it on Lola's hair, and I agree, it is pretty good actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty decent. Not pathetic.
You get a couple of glasses. One of them's elsewhere because we've had a drink out of it.
Yeah.
You get hand soap and body lotion.
What do you think to the hand soap and body lotion?
It's really nice. The writing is quite small, so if you've got really bad vision like I have, you have, especially if you're in the shower, you do have to look quite carefully. But yeah, it's really nice.
No,
makes your hands feel nice.
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, with the writing on the writing on that, it is very much a case of you kind of learn the sequence,
yes.
don't you? You're like, you know, it's body lotion, hand soap, body lotion. You get it. Eventually, you do learn it. So this it's not broken, but this is normally on there. It's got little suckers on the back of it, in case, but they take it off to actually.
Ivy's taken it off to do a makeup.
Physically use it, so that's good. Big mirror with a lovely shiny light all the way around. She's beautiful. Anything else you want to mention?
A couple of small towels each.
Yeah.
And a couple of large bath towels.
Yeah.
Make sure you do check where they are because you found them hidden the other day.
Yeah, they were hidden. Yeah. I mean, they were hidden. They were miles away. They were actually on this. So we thought we didn't get any. So we were using pool towels instead of bath towels, like Muppets. Anyway.
You also get a little standy-on thing.
Standy-on thing? Should we call it a bath mat?
Bath mat.
Bath mat, yes.
Rainfall shower.
Oh, and how's that been?
Really nice. You want me to demo?
Nah, it's cool. I think everybody knows what a rainfall shower is.
And then you've also got a little shower if you don't want the rainfall shower.
Yeah.
Easy to use.
Yeah, talking about how to use it, there's more soap and stuff there. So you've got conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel in that order, but not necessarily that order. So keep an eye out. Yeah, so to actually use the thing, I find this is probably far too much detail, but I find about 6 o'clock is usually enough. So you would essentially turn it on by lifting it up there and then pull this thing out. Because if you turning it on turns the little thing,
yes,
and it just sprays water out. So you then have to pull this one out, and then that will start the one coming down from the ceiling. I probably made it sound a little bit more complicated than it actually is, but it's decent. It's a decent shower.
Yeah.
Right, this is a toilet. I don't know if you've ever seen a toilet before. That's a toilet. No bidet. No bidet. How do you feel about not having a bidet?
It's ruined the holiday.
Oh, really? Oh,
No,
wow,
I
okay.
don't think I need a
Oh, okay, she's happy. Right.
The main room.
The main room. So this is a mirror, which reflects people. So that's good for checking your gear out before you go out.
Yeah.
What would you like to talk about in here?
So,
Sarah? Yep.
got the bed. Really decent size.
This,
Really comfy.
I fully agree. Actually, this bed is absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's just right for me. It's got that certain level of hardness. I can see why people might not like it. It might be a little bit too hard, but for me, it's bang on. And it's cavernous. It's huge. I mean, if you want to just lie down on the bed for a second, Sarah, and get your feet right on the edge, we'll do a little bit of a. Okay, well, I was thinking the other way, but that's fine. So that's. I mean, how tall are you, Sarah? Would you say?
I'm 5'4".
She's 5'4", and there's a good.
And I've got a bit of distance above my head as well.
She's not even doing it properly. She's got distance up there. She's got distance down here. It's great. Now, could you go left to right? Yes. So we can just show how wide this thing is. Look at that. It's wide enough.
It's a bit of a grown woman.
The grown woman. Stop laughing. Can lie in it left to right. It's huge. It's so big and it's so nice. Bed thing is a definite plus for me.
Yeah. Clothes hanger
Yeah.
area.
Yeah.
There's no door on it. Some people might not like that. It's not really bothered me at all.
I don't get that. That has been said on other vlogs before, like the doors and stuff. I don't think anybody's ever mentioned I'm really annoyed by not having a door on a cupboard. It's weird.
You get little cubby holes.
Yeah.
Drawers.
Yeah. Drawers.
Drawers.
More drawers.
You get a little refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Okay, what you got in it?
Aquarius and Chips Ahoy.
Oh,
all
nice.
the essentials.
Nice.
But when we came, there was we had 2 mini bottles of water included. But then after that, then you do need to go to your own, supply your own water.
Yeah, which is fair enough.
Yeah.
What do you think to the watermelon Aquarius?
Lemon's better.
Right.
But it is nice.
Wow. Brutal.
In my honest opinion.
And who's this chap here? Is this somebody we
That's
should...
little Benny.
Is that Benny, is it? That's a baguette. She got that for Mother's Day. Bless her. Right, so what else in there? Sockets. Sockets.
Sockets.
Talk to me about sockets.
Okay, so you've got your usual EU plugs.
EU plugs.
But
Yeah.
you've got these, which are really handy.
USB A and B, I believe.
Yeah.
Probably
So
wrong, but...
I've got my iPad charging up now.
Right.
So yeah, it's quite handy to have that
Excellent. And you got one of those types of plugs.
on each
Two.
side.
Yeah, so one there,
There's one on the dressing table.
one here, and then one there as well, which is under the TV. Oh, which, how big would you say that is? 55, maybe? 60? Yeah, maybe 55, 60 inch LCD. It's decent. Lola tends to watch catchphrase on it on an evening before we go out, so that's cool. And that's that. So, go on.
The safe is really good. You don't have to pay extra for it.
Okay.
And room key.
Yeah.
Just opens the safe.
Oh.
That's where I keep all my money.
All the monies.
And then just to lock it,
Yeah.
just close it and make sure you scan your card again. And then you hear the whirring sound.
Yeah, it makes a noise, doesn't it, when it locks again. That's pretty easy. Cool. Lighting wise, what do you reckon?
Lighting's okay, quite like these.
Oh, okay, so you got a little reader.
Yeah.
Is it bright enough? Yeah, and then you turn it off by what? Just pushing it back in. Sweet. Actual lighting in the room itself.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all right. They've got it's pretty good actually. To be fair, so they've got lights in this bit up there. They're all separated, and then you've got lights that go across the top of there, and then you've got lights at the front here, and then lights all over. So you can sort of dim it depending on obviously trying to put kids to sleep. You can kind of really get the lights low, and that's it really. Right, should we have a look on the balcony? Right, so we are on, before you open it because it will be noisy, so we're on the
5th floor.
Yeah, so we're on the 5th floor, room 68, so it's 5068 and 5066, which is next door. We can see the Golden Mile, but it's looking back at the Vegas Grill.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, the rooms continue off like that way and that way. If I could choose a room, I wouldn't pick one on this side. I'll pick one on the other side of the Golden Mile side. The reason for that is, you'll see in a minute, you might pick it up on the microphone, you might not. There is a bit of a buzz. Not enough that we're irate about it and we want to move rooms, but there is a bit of a buzz from some sort of machinery which the hotel's got, which is on the bottom floor. So it does kind of grate on you a little bit. So you may pick it up, you may not. But if you are booking here, I would certainly try and get one that goes down in the numbers. So, I don't know, 540, 530, whatever that is. Yeah. I don't know if it's an exclusive issue for floor 5, but certainly on this side you can hear it all the time. Yeah. It's a bit like. What is good though is the soundproofing.
Yeah, you can't hear it when the doors are closed.
No.
Which is a good thing, so it doesn't interrupt your sleep or anything.
It doesn't, but also the nightlife. So obviously we, more importantly I guess, but we probably getting about 12ish, I think.
Yeah.
And then it's still pretty much party city down there, and you know the bars are still open. The food's probably stopped by then, but the bars are out, the music's playing, but soundproofing, brilliant.
Yeah.
Can't fault it. It just blocks it all out, so that's good. So we'll take you onto the balcony now. And here we are. Oh my lord! Let the light adjust. So here we are. This is our view. So as you can see, that's the Golden Clover, Oriental kitchen next to it. That over there is Vegas Bar and Grill. Kebab shop there. And Taste of India. We really wanted to go in, but we've not been in. It is a sea view of sorts, isn't it, Sarah?
Kind of, if you bring your neck that way.
If you squint, well, less than squint, I'd say, that way, you can see the sea. Just there. Now I don't know whether if we just be quiet for a second. I don't know whether you can hear the buzzing or the mee noise, but that's what I was talking about. If you can't, then this is what it sounds like. Me all day. Right, so you wanted to show us something most excellent in here.
Yeah. So,
Oh, here we go. Exciting times.
for all the mums out there, or dads.
And dads, thank you, I've been using it. Yeah.
Nice little rack so you can wash your swimming stuff and hang it on over there. But I will say this hotel don't like you hanging anything over the balcony.
Which makes sense.
Yeah, so they want the hotel to stay looking nice, which is understandable. So you've got that, so that fits my and Ivy's swimming stuff. I've washed a couple of t-shirts and bits of bobsteries, and then it nicely folds away so you don't walk into it when you haven't got anything on it. Table and chair, quite nice. We sit on one of the balconies in the evening, don't we, when the kids are settling down?
Yeah, we do.
Just have a drink for half an hour and just watch what's going on. Watch the nightlife, all the youngsters having a good time.
I know, not anymore. So, there's another view of it. So
The floor does get hot, by the way.
it does.
Grab the floor.
So, like busy-wise, what would you say? Is it busy?
Yeah, it's definitely busy, but not so much that it stresses you out. I think because everyone's in the holiday vibe, and
Yeah.
I was sort of expecting people to be pushing and shoving all the time, but I don't think I'm even sort of.
I mean,
push and
specifically
shove.
out here on an evening, would you say it's busy?
Yeah, I'd say so. Not quite so busy up this end because there's not as many bars, but you do get a few people walking to and from their hotels and things, I imagine. But yeah, it's mainly down there where it's uber busy, but it's not too bad, to be honest.
Cool. Right, so we'll take you to room number 2 now. Ooh, I know you're excited. Yeah, so that's room number 1, which is Sarah's and Ivy's, and I'm sharing the other room with my other daughter, Lola. Now, I'll say now, this is probably the tidiest of the rooms. We are kind of packing because we go in tomorrow, so we're in that state of mind. So, take you all the way across to 5066. Always have the aircon on quite low in here, it's so nice. Right, so it's just the reverse, and I think that's what it does. Here's our bathroom again. Thing. I was actually one thing I was thinking about yesterday. Is there an extractor fan? And I don't know whether there's one kind of up there or whatever, but it's not like it gets particularly steamy.
No, that's a good point actually.
Yeah, so it feels like there should be an extractor fan, but there isn't. So yeah, this is our room. It's just the same, but the opposite way round. Can't go over that bed. That bed is huge.
Yeah, it's massive.
It's huge. Right, I'll show you my view. No, it's similar to the last view, but a bit further round. So there it is, Golden Clover again, and the Vegas Grill, shops, and Sarah. And then that's a good point actually. So there's the rack actually being used. Oh, things on the rack. So yeah, so she's next door, but there is this like little cubby hole a bit there, you see. Very good. And we can all,
things through, don't
yes, and we can holler at each other. So if you are next to each other, if you haven't got into joining doors or anything, but you can actually use this little chute here to pass items like so.
Shout neighbours at each other, don't we?
We do shout neighbours.
Pass through what we want.
Yeah, mainly beer really,
Mainly
isn't it?
beer.
It's been mainly beer. But
I think a bottle of After Sun or something.
so that kind of concludes the oh yes, that kind of concludes the room tours. Thanks.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe for more content. And we'll see you soon.
See you soon. Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Thought it'd be quite a good idea to show you this actually. A little excerpt. This is the room. What do we call this?
Shower room.
Shower room, but it's actually a room on the second floor. Put your towels in there. They're our bags. So everything's kind of low, you see, where the hooks and stuff are. So it's set out-ish like a normal room. You just asked at reception. They give you a time slot. That's the view actually, which is pretty decent. Down the Golden Mile. Lovely. Set out like a normal room. There's a bed here. Hello. And I guess, find out the way now. The shower is like a proper wet room, if you like. So you've still got the shower, cascade shower. Is that a cascade shower? What do you call that? Rainfall shower, yeah, there you go, that's the word. So it's a whole wet room, toilets and everything. Yeah, and you get it for half an hour. We got it for an hour because we had the 2 rooms. But yeah, it's decent, you know. They give you a key, which you put in there, and that does the power. So because of that, it is a little bit warm. But other than that, yeah, it's a decent shower room. And then now we're all done and dusted, we're just going to go and contemplate going home, aren't we, guys? Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! And that's it. So, the shower room. Speaker reception. Probably need to book. I booked yesterday. There was plenty of slots available yesterday, but not so much today. So make sure you book a day in advance. We'll see. And this is us. All right, bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.